everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm filming today is to be entered in the Unusual Fall Wreath Challenge that is hosted by Kiki from Kiki's DIYs, and I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Kiki is adorable, she is really funny, really upbeat, and she is extremely creative. So please visit her channel and, of course, leave some love, as well as watch the videos and leave some comment to support each other. My unusual wreath, I think it's unusual because I'm using a placemat. What I did with this placemat, as you can see, I added nautical rope from the Dollar Tree all around the border. And I made marks where I'm going to place this thingy. Well, I hope you know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of things in the dumpsters, and we found this. I don't remember, I think it was at Joann's, I don't remember. Really don't remember, maybe Party City. Obviously it's part of something else, but I love it, I really love it. And I'm glad it has these pieces because this will help me to glue it to the placemat. And then I'm going to add this sign. Unfortunately I didn't have 2Ls with the same color, in the same color, but anyways, I don't mind. It gives the piece character. I use 2 steering sticks for paint that I got for free at my local hardware store. I glue them together, I cut the tip, and I distress them with my always beloved liquid shoe polish from the Dollar Tree. In fact, this is from Family Dollar. I couldn't get one at Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree also have this. And then I'm going to add some flowers, and this bow that I made is really easy. It's one piece to make the loops, and then another piece that is added not behind, under the center of the bow. So the tails look like this. If you place the tails behind, they don't look as pretty because they can't be really seen. So it's really easy. Then you add another piece and that's it. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to glue everything and I'm going to come back to show you the final result because it's easy, you know how to glue things. So I don't want to make this 40-minute video, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and here is the final product, final result. I added yellow and white flowers, alternating them, and I glued the stem to the wood because it tended to move, so I wanted it to stay in place. And I added a piece of the same burlap ribbon that I use here in the back to hang it, and this is it. I forgot to tell you that the flowers and the greenery are also from the dumpster, Michael's dumpster. We found over $500 of flowers in one of our dives. You can see the video, you can watch the video on our channel of that dive because it was amazing. This video room looked like a botanical garden. Before we selected everything, we donated a lot of them, we kept a lot of them, and we are selling others. So that was a great find, and we found these flowers that are perfect for fall, so we were very happy. And we found you name it. Roses, peonies, pencils. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is it for this challenge. I hope you liked this video and the item I made. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much, Kiki, for hosting this wonderful challenge. I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you to all the other ladies that are participating with me, and I'm really honored to participate with them. Again, please visit the channels, the videos, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.